Welcome, genius! Are you ready to play Funny Riddles Level 3? Let's begin. What goes all around the world, but stays in a corner?
That's funny!
A stamp. What starts with T, ends with T, and has T in it? A teapot. What kind of ship has two mates, but no captain? A relationship. Who has married many people, but has never been married himself? A priest. If you throw a blue stone into the Red Sea, what will it become? Wet. What has a neck, but no head? A bottle. What can you catch, but never throw?
That's funny!
A cold. What runs around a whole yard, without moving? A fence. What has many keys, but cannot open a single lock? A piano. What goes up, but never comes down? Your age. What's a single-digit number with no value? Zero. What gets smaller every time it takes a bath? Soap. What's always running, but never gets hot?
That's funny!
A refrigerator. How do you spell cow in 13 letters? COW. What do you see once in June, twice in November, and not at all in May? The letter E. What can fill a room, but takes up no space? Light. What is so fragile that saying its name breaks it? silence. What word contains 26 letters, but has only 5 syllables? The alphabet. What do you bury when it's alive, and dig up when it's dead? A plant. What can't talk, but will reply when spoken to?
That's funny!
An echo. How many questions did you answer correctly? Please type in the comment box. Please subscribe to our channel. See you in the next interesting game. Thanks, genius.